all this part of the world links up, I guess. Take along the beach a bit. And, yeah, it's not bad, is it? It's weather-wise, I don't know, 32. Water feels slightly cool you get in, but you know it's not. It's 28 degrees Celsius, whatever that is in Fahrenheit. It's getting a little bit developed here, but it's not too bad. There's no direct rail or bus links. It's just sort of grab a taxi sort of thing, informal taxi. We used to get in London back in the day. That was 50 ringgit. It was about 6 the pound. It was 4 something to the dollar. It's not expensive if you're backpacking a long time. It's probably not the cheapest part, the cheapest country, but it is nice, and the Malaysians are lovely. This is during Ramadan in March 2025. The Malaysians really super nice. It's not, still serve food, and there's no obligation to show a lot of respect, courtesy, I guess. But super nice people, super nice food. Rather decent little place. Looks like quite a big cloud in the background. Cumulonimbus. Thunderstorm cloud? Question mark. If you know, let me know in the comments. It looks quite impressive though. It's rising quite high. Yeah. Welcome to Borneo.